how to store something as a variable on Python. So the first thing we need to do is come up with a name for our variable. So let's say, in this case, age. And then we need to say, okay, what is age equal to? So what is the variable? And let's say we put in a number there. We've now stored that number 15 as age. So if later we call up age, we say print and age. And look on the right hand side there, it's printed, hasn't printed, it's printed the number 15. Note, if we go print and put age in speech marks, then that will just print the word age. Okay, so you don't use speech marks to call a stored variable. You just put it in brackets. And that is how we store something as a variable. So it's the name of the variable, the equals sign, and then the variable, and then the thing on the right hand side. So that's with a number. If we want to store some text as a variable, so let's say we want to store name, we need to put it in speech marks. Okay, and then let's print name. So we must use speech marks. If we don't use speech marks, then it's looking for some term or variable called Peter. Okay, so we must use speech marks when we're using words, when we're storing words as variables.